Present continuous is one of the easiest tenses of English grammar. Let's see an example of present continuous. I am watching a video now. Here the basic structure is subject plus am or is or are plus V1 plus ing form. That is, you are watching a video. The first use of present continuous is for an action going on at the time of speaking. For example, you are watching a video. I am speaking to you. We are learning English. Secondly, it can be used to express an action which may not be actually taking place at the time of speaking. For example, I am reading Alchemist. It doesn't mean that I am reading Alchemist at this moment. Thirdly, it is used to express an action which has already been arranged to take place in the near future. For example, Wilson is arriving tomorrow. I am going to the party tonight. They are leaving next week.